In an era where digital products evolve rapidly, understanding how users engage with your website or application is no longer optional. It's essential. Product and growth teams need more than just surface level metrics. They need deep behavioral insights, flexibility, and control over their data. That's where PostHog comes in. PostHog is an all in one product and analytics platform designed for modern teams. It brings together powerful tools like event tracking, session recording, feature flagging, A B testing, and user path analysis, all in one open source solution. What makes it truly unique is its developer first design, privacy first architecture, and seamless scalability. In this video, we'll walk through the top features PostHog offers, explore how they benefit your product and engineering teams, and share why PostHog continues to grow as a preferred platform for analytics and experimentation in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the comprehensive event tracker. PostHog automatically captures key user interactions like clicks, scrolls, page views, and form submissions. You can also configure custom events using JavaScript, SDKs, or APIs. The event timeline gives a granular view of individual user behavior. This helps you fully understand how users interact with your product across different touchpoints, allowing you to fine tune UX and drive better engagement. Another key feature is the session replays for UX optimization. With PostHog Session Replay feature, you can watch real-time recordings of user sessions to see how people navigate your site or app. Replace capture mouse movements, clicks, and rage clicks, critical for identifying friction. This allows product and UX teams to uncover pain points and usability issues without relying on guesswork or user surveys. Another key feature is the feature flags and experimentation. PostHog's built-in feature flag system allows you to test new features with specific user groups before a full rollout. You can run A/B tests and monitor user behavior differences across variations. This empowers product teams to test ideas faster, release confidently, and improve feature adoption with real performance data. Another key feature is the funnels and conversion paths. You can easily build funnels to visualize the journey users take from landing to conversion. PostHog's funnel tool highlights drop off points and helps you identify where users lose interest. This optimizes onboarding, checkout, and other key flows, boosting conversion rates and user retention through better informed design decisions. Another key feature is the cohorts and retention analysis. You can segment users into cohorts based on behaviors, traits, or custom events. You can analyze how specific groups behave over time and which segments are most valuable. This enables growth teams to target the right users with personalized engagement strategies and monitor long term retention patterns. So, why is PostHog a great choice? PostHog stands out because it offers powerful product analytics capabilities while putting data ownership back in your hands. It's the only platform of its kind that seamlessly blends open source flexibility with enterprise grade performance. Whether you're a startup or a large scale organization, PostHog gives you the tools to build smarter, test faster, and scale confidently. In 2025, product teams face increasing pressure to make quick, informed decisions. With PostHog, you're not just collecting data, you're acting on it. From the ability to rewatch user journeys and run feature experiments to granular user tracking and customizable reports, every element of PostHog is designed for speed, clarity, and control. Moreover, PostHog integrates smoothly with your tech stack, including tools like GitHub, Slack, Sentry, and even warehouse destinations like BigQuery or Snowflake. This means you can extend its capabilities without disrupting your existing workflows. It's not just a tool, it becomes a central part of how your product and engineering teams build and iterate. So basically, if you're looking to take your product analytics and experimentation to the next level in 2025, PostHog is a platform worth investing in. It gives your team complete visibility into how users interact with your product, enables faster innovation through testing and feature flags, and provides peace of mind through data privacy and hosting flexibility. So, whether you're analyzing a marketing funnel, debugging a UX issue, or releasing a new feature, PostHog empowers your team with real time, actionable insights, all from a single dashboard. So start using PostHog today and take full control of your product's performance, user experience, and growth potential. The insights you gain could be the key to your next big breakthrough. So give PostHog a try and take full control of your 2025 business and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.